Long press the square control phone hang-up button. Switch back to the original car system. Long press the square control phone hang-up button. Cut to CarPlay. First of all, we can navigate on the screen. With Waze, Google Map, Tencent Map, Apple's own maps can be navigated. We don't need to use the phone holder. Directly on the screen, the original screen is so big. The original car is directly upgraded. And music software, direct touch control. You can also use this. The co-pilot can be controlled with the knob here. It's okay. Okay. The touch screen can still be used very smoothly, without any delay. That's why we replaced the screens in the sub-factory, because of our original screen. Compatible with all the functions of the original car. It doesn't affect. We switch back to the original car system. We can use any of these features of the original car. Does not affect. It's all original. Then we cut back to CarPlay. It is very convenient to use. What if you go to change the big Android screen of the sub-factory? First of all, your original car system is missing. Also, it means that its boot is very slow. That's a very tasteless thing. So the original factory upgraded this CarPlay, or AndroidAuto, Baidu Carlinklife. They're perfect, aren't they? Compatible functions in our system CarPlay. Mobile phone mirror projection. There is also USB stick music in the media, USB flash drive video, Bluetooth music.